In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon wishlist and share it with others step by step. We'll be covering everything you need to make your shopping fun and organized. First, head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the homepage, if you're not already signed in, simply hover over the Hello Sign In tab and click on it. This will take you to the Sign In page where you can enter your credentials. Start by entering your email address and then click Continue. After that, input your password and click Sign In. Once you are successfully logged in, you should find yourself back on the Amazon homepage. To begin creating your wish list, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Create a List. You'll be prompted to name your new list, so choose something that best describes what the wish list will be used for. When you're ready, click on Create List to finalize this step. Now your list is created, but there are additional settings to adjust. Locate the More icon next to your new list and click on it, then select Manage List. Here you can dictate who can view your list. For this tutorial, we'll choose public so others can easily find your wish list online. Ensure the list is for you, confirming the recipient is indeed your name. You also have the option to add a description to give others more context. A useful tip here: do tick the box for "Don't spoil my surprises" to maintain a bit of suspense around your wishlist items. After making these changes, make sure to click on Save Changes. With those steps completed, you're now ready to add items. Head to the search bar at the top of the page and look for an item you wish to add to your list. Once you've found an item that interests you, click on it to open the product page. Here you'll see an option Add to List. Click on the drop-down icon next to it. Now select your newly created wish list from the options and this item will be added. To verify, you can go back to view your list and see everything compiled in one place. Satisfied with your list, let's move on to sharing it. Click on the share icon within the wish list view. Next, choose the view only option, which allows others to see your list without altering it. Lastly, click on copy link and share this link with anyone you'd like, whether through email, social media, or your preferred method. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to creating and sharing an Amazon wishlist. With just a few clicks, your friends and family can explore your carefully curated list of must-haves. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.